Have you ever wondered if you could capture cinematic aerial shots without needing a Hollywood budget or a pilot's license? Well, today we're going to dive deep into the 5 best DJI drones in 2025. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone chasing next-level drone footage, this video is going to help you find the perfect flying companion. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below, and if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Kicking things off at number 5, we have the DJI Neo, our pick for the best budget DJI drone. If you're new to drones or just want something fun, light, and surprisingly capable, the Neo is a fantastic place to start. Weighing just 135 grams, it's ultralight and doesn't require FAA registration or remote ID, which is perfect for beginners who want to skip the paperwork. Despite its small size, it's packed with smart features like palm takeoff, voice control, and smartphone flying options, so you don't even need a controller. The 4K ultra-stabilized video looks impressively sharp, and DJI's Level 4 wind resistance tech ensures smooth footage even when the breeze picks up. With subject tracking and 8 quick shot modes built in, you can capture dynamic, social-ready content effortlessly. The full propeller guards offer an added layer of safety for nervous flyers or indoor use. If you're someone who wants to dip their toes into drone photography or vlog on the go without spending a ton, the DJI Neo is compact, creative, and ready for takeoff. Coming in at number 4 is the DJI Avata 2, our pick for the best DJI drone for FPV flying. This one is all about immersive, first-person adventure. Strap on the goggles, grab the motion controller, and feel like you're piloting a jet without the turbulence. The Avata 2 features intuitive motion controls that let you fly with hand gestures, making it one of the easiest FPV drones for newcomers. Flip, roll, and dive through the air with confidence thanks to built-in propeller guards and a lightweight but sturdy design. The 4K video quality is top-notch, enhanced by a wide 155-degree field of view and a large 1/3-inch image sensor, perfect for capturing immersive slow-mo action. You get up to 23 minutes of flight time and stabilization tech that keeps your footage looking smooth even during high-speed twists and turns. Whether you're creating high-energy POV content or just want to experience flight like never before, the Avata 2 offers an adrenaline-packed flying experience that's equal parts fun and cinematic. Next at number 3, we have the DJI Air 3S, our pick for the best DJI drone for enthusiasts. If you're the type who loves stunning landscapes and wants more control over your shots, this drone is a dream. The Air 3S features a large 1-inch CMOS sensor that captures sharp, detailed images, even in challenging lighting conditions. It can shoot 4K at 60 frames per second with up to 14 stops of dynamic range, making your footage look polished and professional straight out of the camera. Free panorama mode adds even more creative flexibility, while intelligent LED AR sensors help with safe flying, especially at night. The Smart Return to Home feature is a lifesaver when you're far out exploring, and with 45 minutes of flight time and a massive 20-kilometer video transmission range, you've got freedom to roam. Whether you're filming travel content, chasing sunsets, or upgrading from a basic drone, the Air 3S delivers incredible value for creators who want to level up their aerial game. Taking at the number 2, we have the DJI Mavic 3 Pro, our pick for the best DJI drone for features. This drone is nothing short of a flagship. With a Hasselblad main camera, a large 4x3 CMOS sensor, and 20 megapixels of resolution, your images and videos will be studio quality. It supports RAW shooting with up to 12.8 stops of dynamic range, making it ideal for serious photographers and filmmakers. The omnidirectional obstacle sensing system and APA 5.0 tech ensure smooth, safe flying in complex environments. You get up to 43 minutes of flight time, and the DJI O3 Plus transmission system lets you fly up to 15 kilometers away with low-latency HD video feed. The included DJI RC controller with a bright 700 nit screen makes flying feel intuitive and responsive. If you're after full creative control and need a drone that matches your artistic vision, the Mavic 3 Pro is the tool you've been waiting for. Finally, at number 1, we have the DJI Mini 4 Pro, our pick for the best DJI drone overall. Weighing under 249 grams, this ultralight drone gives you professional-grade features in a travel-friendly package that doesn't require registration. It's perfect for creators on the go, vloggers, or anyone who wants to capture high-quality aerial content without the bulk. You get vertical 4K video at 60 frames per second with HDR, so your footage pops with vibrant color and clarity straight out of the camera. Obstacle sensing is omnidirectional, making flying safer and more beginner-friendly than ever. And the Mini 4 Pro isn't just about looks. It also boasts a 20-kilometer HD transmission range and extended battery life that lets you fly longer and explore further. For those who want to go fully immersive, it even supports RC motion controls and DJI goggles. This drone is incredibly versatile, whether you're traveling, filming social content, or capturing your next big adventure. The DJI Mini 4 Pro takes the crown by combining pro features, ease of use, and unbeatable portability.